ThinkPad P14s Gen 2. Core i7-1165G7 processor, 2.80 GHz, up to 4.70 GHz with Turbo Boost, 4 cores, 8 threads, 12 MB cache. 512 GB NVMe SSD. Memory. 8 GB DDR4 3200 MHz. Memory up to 16 GB DDR4 3200 MHz. Versatile power engineered for highly mobile power users, the ThinkPad P14s Gen 2, 14, Intel, is fueled by up to 11th Gen Intel Core processors for unmatched speed and performance. NVIDIA T500 professional graphics with 4 GB VRAM power and extra kick for renderings and other intensive tasks. See it bright, see it clear. Choose a ThinkPad P14s Gen 2, 14, Intel, with a 4K UHD, 3840 by 2160, display for vivid, true-to-life images and video. This 500 nit display option delivers increased brightness, while integrated X-Rite factory color calibration assures pinpoint color accuracy. While the ThinkPad P14s Gen 2, 14, Intel, packs massive power into its slim, portable, 1.47 kilograms, 3.24 pounds design, it also provides robust connectivity to give you an extra edge, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, along with HDMI and USB 3.2 connectors. New levels of power up to 2 TB of fast NVMe SSD storage and up to 48 GB 3200 MHz memory make lag time a thing of the past. The ThinkPad P14s Gen 2, 14, Intel, mobile workstation also includes ISV certifications from major vendors like AutoCAD, Revit, SolidWorks, and more. Built tough to ensure it will run in extreme conditions, the ThinkPad P14s Gen 2, 14, Intel, is tested against 12 military-grade requirements and more than 200 quality checks. From the Arctic wilderness to desert dust storms, from zero gravity to accidental spills and being dropped. 14.0 inches UHD, 3840 by 2160, IPS, anti-glare with Dolby Vision, HDR 400, 500 nits.